Hello my creative friends! Today I'm gonna do a split color acrylic pour with the traveling funnel on it. For my negative space base color split, I'm gonna use titanium white and Dioxazine purple, just like I did in this video, and it worked out really good. But I'm gonna do different composition. I'm gonna line them differently on a canvas. And also I want to slightly change colors in the funnel. So I'm not gonna use any silicone today because I'm in the mood for a little more soft and floral effect. So let's see how it works. And in case you're new here, my name is Olga Soby and let's get started. So today I'm working on 16 by 20 canvas and I want to divide it into thirds. So on this right third, I'm gonna have my purple, and 2/3 on the left side, well, I guess it's the right side for you, I am going to have my white. Alright, so now let's do the white, and if you guys want to get more information about supplies that I'm using, as well as how I mix my paint, what colors I'm using and all that stuff, please check out the description. I always include all that information there. Alright, so my split color base is done, and before I'm gonna travel the funnel, I want to add this beautiful turquoise color. It's another one of my favorite colors. Works especially good next to white. Some beautiful cells are showing up on that turquoise. So now I want to add my colors to my mini funnel. Using a really small one today, and yeah, I don't have silicone in any of my colors for this pour. All right. All the colors are added. Now the best part, let's travel this funnel. Okay, so I'm trying to also go in this wavy motion, but in a direction that's opposite from the turquoise. Oh, this already looks so good. I really like these colors together. Beautiful. Let's quickly torch it, and you know what? I have to say, I really like it already. Now I want to work on the design. Alright, so my turquoise leafy part is done. Now I want to work on my magenta, orange and gold part and just play with it and create some abstract flowers. So far, I definitely like this design a lot. I absolutely love how all these colors work together to create beautiful, striking contrast. And I like how all the white negative space really makes the design stand out and jump out of the canvas. It's really good. Okay, let me put this away. Just quickly touching up the corners. And I feel like I might want to do a couple more touch-ups on my flowers. All right, it's done. I definitely don't want to change anything else. There you go. That's the bottom there, and I love the design. There are so many very gentle cells and beautiful lacing, especially towards the white, which I just love, and I'm so happy with these colors. These flowers, by the way, they kind of look like flowers, but at the same time they look a little bit like flame to me. Please let me know what you think about the outcome and how would you name this painting. I would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Happy pouring, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.